To force restart your Samsung A11, you have to hold the power key and the volume down key at the same time. You have to press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds until it restarts. Once the screen turns off, you can now remove your fingers from the volume key and the power key. I will be continuing the video until the time it boots up, so we will know how long it takes to completely restart the phone until the startup. It took 1 minute and 1.8 seconds to do a complete restart on the phone. I hope that this video has helped you to restart your A11. As always, thank you for watching.
Say it's in my head, I won't say this again. If I go one more night without you, I'd be dead, be my darling. Remember